Well, hello there. Quick demonstration for you today. We have labels that's going to indicate the front of our fixtures. We've also got two fixtures to show you today. The smaller one is going to fold this box, single box, and the larger one is going to fold two different boxes. They're basically the same size. So let's go ahead and get started with the first one, which is the smaller of the two. Yeah, it's going to be a two-part process. You're going to go ahead and set the box into the fixture and then press it down and make your fold. So let's go ahead and set it, press it, fold. And that's our first fixture. And the second one is going to perform exactly the same way. Now I apologize, these boxes, the scores were broke here, you can see, so it's a little bit floppy, but once again, you're just going to go ahead and come straight down. Or you can also break these pillars, scores here and pull it in this way. Once again, this is floppy. It's going to be rigid when they come in, so you're going to be able to just press on down like the first one we demonstrated. And it's going to be the same way here. Again, we got a real floppy box, so if it's rigid, you're just going to come in straight like the first one. But once again, set it, press it and fold, and you have your completed